Good motherfucking morning. Welcome back to Jordie's Corner. I am Jordie, and this is my car. We're not in my corner today. Well, we are in my corner. But this is my car. It is currently 7:47 in the morning. I'm headed to work. I just stopped at my local bank, like my bank that I go to deposit the money for my Itzy and Aespa albums. So yes, today is Itzy Aespa comeback day. Make some motherfucking noise. Woo! We are ecstatic. We are gonna have a good fucking day today. We are going to have the time of our motherfucking life today. I do not care. I will not let nobody fuck up my vibe today. Ain't nobody finna break my soul, as Beyonce said. Today is a good mother trucking day. Now, let's get into the plan, okay? So my plan for today is I'm going to make 2 separate Target pickup orders, because there's a Target up by my job, because again, I work in a whole nother city, in a whole nother county from where I live. It's a Target up in Claremont, a Walmart down here in Four Corners, and then a Target over here in Kissimmee. So Target, for some reason, allegedly is not carrying the digipacks. It's not on the app. And every time that they've posted about it, like, oh, pre-order, da-da-da, it's never said anything about, you know, digipacks at Target for Itzy. So, but Walmart allegedly will have them, allegedly. If nobody has the digipacks, that's okay. I was planning on buying them from K-Place anyways, on my upcoming paycheck, which is next Saturday. So, if I don't get it this week, it is what it is. I just want to get, like, the standard versions today. But yeah, so my plan is to get one of each version for Itzy, and then hopefully I want to get both versions for Aespa, but if not, I prefer the speed version. Hi besties, I don't know how I convinced myself, but it's actually just one version for Aespa. So yeah, anyways, let's go back into video. But I want to get, if I do get just the speed version, I want 2. Because again, I'm going to make a new binder cover for them, because again, I have now put them in the same binder, and I'm so excited about that, and I can't wait to watch my It's Aespa collection grow. So the plan is we're going to make an order for 1 copy of each at each Target, and then the Target down here in Kissimmee. Well, first I'm going to try my luck at the Target up in Claremont. So I'm going to make a pickup order for them, go pick it up, obviously. And then whatever versions I didn't get, I'm going to go inside and try my luck. If they don't have it, they don't have it. Like, it is what it is. Like, hopefully they do. Every time I've gone to either Target this last couple months, basically since July, when it's album release day, they have the albums. So I'm hoping it's the same for Itzy and Aespa. If not, again, it is what it is. I'll try my luck another day. Hi! Welcome back to today's video. So let me tell you, there was a point today. So around 2 o'clock, like I always do when I'm doing this, like when I did for NCT and Stray Kids and all that. Around 2 o'clock, I went up to Target to make my pickup orders. Both of my stores are sold out. So the one here in Claremont and the one in Kissimmee. Well, the one over in Winter Garden, which is 8 miles away, they have it in stock. So guess where we're going? I already made the order. I got 2 of each. So 2 Itzys, 2 Aespas. So yeah, we have to go down Traffic Central though, which I'm kind of worried about. But it is what it is. So yes, let's go get our Itzy and Aespa albums. Let's go. So we are at Target. I'm about to go pick up my order, see what versions I pulled, and then I'm going to try in the electronics section, see, you know, if they don't have any albums, they don't have any. Like, it is what it is. It would suck. Like, I want all the versions, but if they don't have them, they don't have them. Like, it is what it is. I'm not going to be upset. So, anyways, let's go get our Itzy and Aespa album. Okay, to say that that was a successful trip would be a fucking understatement. Excuse my language. I'm sorry to the parents. To say that that was a successful trip would be an understatement. In fact, it was too successful. Let me tell you. So this is my pickup order. This is what I set to pick up. Right? I did 2 copies of each, even though I knew they were going to give me dupes. So So they gave me 2 of the gold version and then 2 of the speed version for Aespa. So that's all fine and dandy. That's whatever, right? So I went to the back and I was like, hey, I pulled up the listing. I was like, and I was walking around in the toy section, which is of course across from the tech section. And I think they saw me scrolling on my phone because like it wasn't loading. And I kept like refreshing. And then the guy walked up to me and was like, hey, are you looking for something? And it finally loaded. And I was like, oh, I just picked up these albums, but I was wondering if you had these ones. And he said, oh, we have a box on the counter, check the box. So we walk up to the box and he said, wait, I think we have all of them. So I may or may not have now owned 2 of each version. I always said I wouldn't do this, but again, it's my alt group, so I'm gonna give myself a bit of a pass. And I should have known when I went to Target that I was gonna do this. I hope that it's the same way for Twice, because Twice is in December, and I really, really am praying that it's gonna be like it was for With Youth, where I went to 2 different Targets and had all the albums. And realistically, I could have went to 1, but I wanted to get a different digipack. I wanted to find Jiho's digipack. Anyways, that is our albums. So we have 2 Aespas. I would say it's a successful day. Let's go back to my house and open these and look at our polls. I'm so fucking excited. Hi guys, welcome back to Jordy's Corner. I am Jordy and this is my corner, and today we are unboxing Itzy's Gold. We have all 3 versions and Aespa's Whiplash. These are all Target exclusives. If you didn't watch the vlog part of this video, that is totally okay. We are going to kind of do this Just Shy style where we're going to open all of these, we're going to look at our polls, and then we're going to go through the photo books, because honestly, I love that. I love just seeing the polls because sometimes I don't want to see the photo book. But anyways, these are all Target exclusives. If you didn't watch the vlog part, I ordered 2 of each for each group. So 2 Aespas and 2 Itzy's. And they gave me the exact same version. So both of these Aespas and then the 2 of the gold, like black and gold version. And then I went to the back to, you know, electronics where the albums are. And they had the albums, all of Itzy's albums on the counter. So I got 2 more. I got 2 of the other 2 versions, so the pink version and the blue version. So let's go ahead and start with Aespa, and then we'll get into Itzy. Okay, so we're gonna start with Aespa just because we have less for them. I do like the cohesion between Armageddon and this, where they're both the same size, so that they'll sit on my shelf very nicely. Oh, these stickers are outside. Okay, that's fine. We'll just put them on the album. But yeah, if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. I am Jordy, and this is my corner. And these are 2 of my top groups. They are my 2 top girl groups, but also just 2 of my top groups in general. Itzy are my ults of all ults. Coming to and Aespa have always been one of my top groups, but they've definitely the last, I want to say, basically since Spicy, they've been on my radar, and I've been falling for them ever since. And Armageddon, like, Drama really did me in. Like, Drama was like my 3rd top song of 2023, which is funny because it dropped in, what, November? So, yeah. And now Armageddon as an album is one of my top albums. So let's go ahead and open it up. We have our CD. It just says Whiplash. I love how simple this era is in theming and concept. In like a good way. You know what I mean? Like not in like a, it's simple, it's boring. Like it's simple. Okay, the photo card is up. There we go. Photo card's out. Anything else on here? No. So that's everything for this. So first we have some postcards. We'll put all of our inclusions off to the side. If you didn't watch my setting up video for this, I'm hoping I get Winter and Karina, but I'm okay with any of the 4. In fact, when I get paid next week, I may buy 2 more of these. But I love this concept, I think, the most. I bought 2 because I want to make a cover out of this. With Itzy, because again, I gave them their own binder. We'll go through what my favorite songs are when we get into something that has the whole track list. But I will say this one right here is my favorite so far. Flight's Not Feelings. Love this song. I want a big Karina and a big Yeji to be like my backdrops with like OT5s. Like OT photos. I love this photo. Like this OT photo. So yeah, that was our photo book. It's simple, nothing too crazy. So first we have a poster. Is it a group? It's a group. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Also, can we talk about Winter's Bob? Love it. It's giving Edna mode. And I'm here for it. And then we have some stickers. Now, here's our track list. So, we have Whiplash, Kill It, Flight's Not Feelings, Pink Hoodie, Flowers, and Just Another Girl. This is a very good album. This is a very good album. I don't care what nobody tells you on Twitter. This album is very good. I think right now my absolute top song is Flight's Not Feelings. And I knew that. From the minute that they dropped that highlight medley, I knew that this was going to be my favorite song. There was going to be no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Flight's Not Feelings was going to be my favorite. Whiplash, though, as a title, is not my favorite of their title tracks. But again, Aespa has fantastic title tracks. And you know what? It's still better than a lot of other groups' songs. So I still love it. I love this Aespa sticker, by the way. Definitely gonna have to incorporate that somewhere. Kill It, I see how it could have been a title track, but I'm glad it's not. I feel like Kill It's gonna be a really fun, like, performance on tour kind of vibe, you know what I mean? First listen, I really loved Pink Hoodie, but the more I listen to it, the more I'm starting to gravitate away from it. Not for any reason, it's just not. Just Another Girl and Flowers kind of to me are just 2 songs on the album that I don't go back to, but like if they come out, I don't skip them. So that was our sticker sheet. Then we have these big postcards. So we have Karina, hey mother. Giselle, sorry, I was like, there was like a glare on it. Winter. Ning Ning. And Aespa. Again, I don't know what it is about this concept. I just love it. And then we have our photo card. So let's go ahead and flip it over. We got Ning Ning. Oh, period. Okay. Let's go ahead and move into the next one. I love how I said I wasn't going to unbox this and then proceeded to unbox this. You know what? We're just going to unbox. So let's go ahead and get the other version out. So we have our other copy here. Let's go ahead and just pull everything out. Where's the photo card? I don't like how the CD's like not straight. There we go. So we don't need to go. Well, we do need to pull this out actually. I'm just hoping it's not a completely dupe album. Again, these are all going to be the same because it's SM. Put this off to the side. Is this the same poster? I think it is. No, wait, is it? It is. So yeah, it's the same poster, same stickers. These are, I think, the same photos. Yeah. So this is all the same. Just gonna get Ning Ning up here. Who's our photo card? Is it Ning Ning again? It is. Okay, so they're direct dupes. That is okay though, because that means I can trade for Winter. Normally I'd say I would trade for Karina, but if you've been watching my channel for a little bit, then you know that I always pull Winter in my Target albums. And I kept saying it over and over again, which is why I didn't pull her. But yes, so we have 2 Ning Nings. So if you are watching this video and you have a Winter Target card or Karina and you want to trade, please hit me up on my trade sale. Again, I will be getting 2 more copies next week when I get paid. There is some slight damage on this one, again, from the album itself, not from me. So, yeah, let's go ahead and put these off to the side, and let's go ahead and start the journey that's going to be Itzy. So to start with Itzy, we're gonna start with, I think, the blue version, and then we'll go pink, and then we'll do this one. I don't remember which version has my favorite concept. My favorite concept is the first concept that they dropped. So we're just gonna open one of each to start, and then of course we'll go into the other ones for the polls, but that will be later. So let's go ahead and get this open. I'm interested to see how the album feels. Oh, it feels luxurious. Feels expensive. You know, we gotta put the Target sticker. If you're new here, then you don't know, but I love to have those. So again, the track list is here on the front, but we'll look at the track. We'll talk about the album when we're in it. Sorry, my mom came in because we just ordered dinner, but I'm gonna open this up, ripping it. There we go. Oh, wow. Anything else in here? No. Put this off to the side. We have our photo book. So we have all of our inclusions here. Oh my god, how many photo cards are in here? 4, 5. Holy shit, there's 5 photo cards. Okay, so this is, I guess, the pink version? Ooh, this is my favorite concept. Okay, so this is my favorite one. I'm a liar. This is my favorite. Yeji. I love her, y'all. But yes, this album has gone platinum in my house. Leah, she's back. And honestly, I didn't realize how much, oh my god, what is this? It's a wristband, apparently. If they think I'm wearing that, they're delusional. I love this album. I love this album. First listen, I didn't, actually. Like, I liked Gold, kind of. First to listen, I didn't know what I was getting into, what we were getting into with Imaginary Friend. And you know what? Imaginary Friend is probably my favorite song on this album. Chaeyoung. Oh, I love this outfit. They have their fan meet next weekend, I believe. Or is it this weekend? I think it's this weekend. And I'm so excited. We have Yuna. Love Yuna. Y'all know she's one of my top 3. Although, at this point, I don't even really want to worry about top 3. Oh, love a good group photo. So here's our track list. So let's talk about it. Gold. Honestly, I love the song, don't get me wrong, but for a Dumb Joints production, I was expecting more. But you know what? I'm okay with it not being too much. Imaginary Friends. Yeah, no, that's the superior song on this album. Fight with the Wall. Bad Girls Are Us. I don't know, maybe I need to wait till like spring, summer. Like, it's hitting now, of course, but I think I need like a good summer vibe, you know? Supernatural, same thing. Love this song, but I need it feels like it should have came out in June. 5 though, 5 is my second favorite song. So it goes Imaginary Friend, 5, Gold. Just overall. I'm not counting these as part of this album. They were on an album already. Then we have Vey. Vey is probably my least favorite song on the album, but it's still a good. The problem is there's not a single song on this album that's bad. That's the real thing. So comparing them to each other, like, and also Vey is just not very much my personal style. But I'm not saying it's not a song. Like, I can see it being a song that's growing on me because I'm starting to listen to it a little bit more and it's starting to grow on me, I will say. And then Born to Be final version, love it. Untouchable final version, love it. Mr. Vampire, now that we finally heard Leah, yeah, no, that song was missing Leah. Dynamite and Escalator, honestly, I don't really mind either version, to be honest with you. They dropped the English versions of Gold and Imaginary Friend last night. You cannot convince me that Imaginary Friend was not recorded in English first. You just can't. You will never be able to convince me of that. These are just our credits. No wonder Born to Be is one of my favorite songs. It's so much English. So it's really easy to pick up. Here's our thanks tos. Again, they're all in Korean, so I'll translate those later and look at them. Again, love this album. I'm loving this era too. So this is what was in the middle of the album. It's like a little like one of those like little wristbands. I'm not gonna use it for that, obviously. But that's what that is. And then we have our little CD case. I will say the budget is here. I'm feeling the budget. Here's our CD. It is so pretty. Oh, everything about this album is just pretty. The budget is here. I can feel the budget. Because, you know, I've always said this. Like, when is JYP going to give Itzy a real budget? Because I think there was something was supposed to be in here, I think. But anyways, we have this, like, little thing. Apparently, they just didn't want to put it together for us. Then we have this. I'm assuming it's a poster. Yes. Oh my god. Leah's hair. Oh my god, I love it. Chaeyoung's outfit, I love it. I love everything about this poster. And then we have some postcards. We have this one. Let's see what this is. It's a group postcard. Oh, I love me a good group postcard. And what's this one? Is this another one? We got Rujin. Okay. I'm not trading big conclusions. Like, I don't care if I get someone's postcard or not. Because let's be honest, I'm not going to do anything with them besides potentially put them up on my wall. Although I do want a Yeji postcard to go with all the Yeji postcards I already own. Then I guess we have an OT5 ID set. So we have Missy Yeji. That's definitely going on my phone. Leah. Rujin. Chaeyoung. And Yuna. Okay. And then last but not least, we have our photo cards. We have this, which I think this was supposed to be in that little thing. And we have Yuna. And then we have these three, which I think are the album cards. And then we have this one, which I'm assuming is a Target because it's the only one that has a different style back. So let's go ahead and look at this one first. I don't know what card this is. Oh my god. I forgot we were getting unit cards. It's Yuna and Yeji. Guys, I'm not okay. Hold on. I know I was trying to make like a cute aesthetic spread, but we're not going to do it anymore. I need room for all of my 75 photo cards. You know what? I might do like Shy does. For real. And open all the albums and go through all of our polls. So yeah, we have Yeji and Yuna. We have this Yuna card. I didn't know we were getting these, so I have to set that up now. We have... Oh my god, it's Rujin, Leah, and Chaeyoung. Okay, so you get 2 units. We got Leah's card. Yay. And then we have our Target card. And we got Chaeyoung. Okay. So let's go ahead and open up the other version of that. You know what? We're going to do this just Shy style and look at all of our polls. And then we'll go into all of the photo books. Just to get this over with. Because I know some of you are going to probably just here for the polls. And you know what? That's okay. Girl, me too. Let's go ahead and take all the plastic off. I just want to get all my photo cards. We already looked through this photo book. We have this again. This is the same CD. Same ID photos. We got the same postcard. Whose member? We got Leah's member. Okay. So we're off to a good start with difference. And it looks like we have a different poster as well. It looks like we do. So this was our first poster. And now we're gonna move in. We're gonna open this one real quick, and we got. Oh my god, my favorite concept. Okay, so we're off to a good start. No dupes so far. And those were the same exact. Well, no, we have a dupe photo postcard, but these are the exact same albums. So for this card, we have. Okay, we do have a dupe. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Okay, another dupe. Are all the PCs dupes? Let's see. We have this card. We got Leah. Okay, we're off to a good start. Good start. What is this card? Okay, another cherry on target. And what's... And a Leah. Okay, so we have 2 of Leah's cards so far. So we're off to a good start. Let's go ahead and open this version. I don't actually know how many different, like... differences there are between all the albums. To be honest with you, I didn't really study. We're gonna need to keep this off to the side. This is supposed to have something in it, but it doesn't, so that's strange. Let's look at our poster. Okay, same poster. Who's our group postcard? Okay, a new one with the spider concept. And who's our member postcard? Cherry Young. Okay, we're off to a good start. We have 3 of the 5. This is the same ID set. Here's our CD. Let's look at it. Okay, this one's not as cool, but it's still cool. It's still cute. At least it's not just a blank ass CD that says Itzy gold on it like it did for Born to Be. I said what I freaking said. Okay, looks like we have a dupe here. Yeah, so we have Yuna again. But again, we're off to a great start, by the way. Next up we have, okay, another one of this unit. So not so great so far. Another unit card, let's see. Hold on. Okay. Okay. I spoke too soon, I guess. Let's see who this one is. Yachi! And then, is this the target? I don't know what the target card is anymore. No, this is a dupe. Okay. Okay. You know what? Let me restack this real quick because we have all these dupes that are just like not stacked. So you have 3 Yeji and Yunas and 3 of middle line. So let's go ahead and open this one out. I'm trying to do it without like ripping it too much. Oh, okay. That works too. Again, same ID photo set. Same CD. Same photo book. Is this the same wristband? Yes, it is. Same with this. Is this the same poster again? So let's see what our poster is. Same poster. Okay, so they said this is your favorite concept. We're gonna give you 3. Here's our postcard. Okay, same group postcard. So we've pulled 2 dupes of groups. Okay, we pulled another Leah. And then for our photo cards, okay, we're gonna look at the backs. These are the regular album cards. I'm guessing these are Target. And this is a special, I guess. Let's go ahead and look at these backs real quick. So these are the specials. These are Targets. And then I have 2 Leahs for... We have 2 Chedians and 2 Leahs for Target. So we're not doing so great on Target so far. Next up, we have this one, which is... Yachi! Yay! Okay. Then for this card, we have another one of this unit. Okay, so we're up to 4. Please don't be the same unit again. we're up to 4. Okay, buying 6 albums clearly was not a good decision. And I will not be mad about another Yeji. I will not. And for our Target card, okay, another Leah. Okay, we have 2 albums to go. Oh God, I don't rip the album. Again, same ID photo set. Thanks for giving us 20 of those, JYP. Photo book. This shit again. That I think the special cards go in, to be honest with you. The same poster. Yeah, okay, I've gotten so used to seeing the back of it now. We have this postcard. Same group postcard. Rujin's postcard again. This is a different CD, so let's look at it. Oh, this is an interesting CD. Okay. Let's see what... I gotta see which one my favorite is, though. Gotta see. I can tell you that just looking at it, I'm confused. I don't see a Target card in here. Whatever. Maybe those aren't the Target cards. Maybe I'm delusional. You know what? I don't care. So let's go ahead and do this one first. So make that 5. Please don't be the same. 5 of those. Okay. Rujin! Hey, queen. Next up. Leah again. Okay, so we have 2 of those. Not me having dupes of almost every card. And then... Rujin. Okay, so we just need Chaeyoung. Okay, so are we going to finish 1 set at least? How many sets are there? I don't even know. I need to see a template. But I don't think anyone made a template because these albums literally just dropped this fucking week. So this is our last copy. So... Oh, this one's the same. It looked a little different. Same photo book. Again, we'll flip through the photo book in a minute. This thing again. It's going to be the same poster. I can tell. Yes. How many posters are there? Next, we have our CD. Again, same CD. Same ID set. So I now have 6 of those. If you want one, just let me know. I'll probably give it out as freebies, to be honest with you. We have this. A new group postcard. Okay, we're looking up. We're looking up. Who's our solo? Another Leah. Okay. Again, not exactly seeing a Target card in here. So I bought 6 Target albums, but yet only... Maybe... You know what? I'm going to have to find out what the Target card is. Next up, we have this one. Please, the same unit. Yeah. Yeah, probably going to be the same unit again. Yeah. Is anyone surprised at this point? Honestly, I'm scared. Hey, Rujin. Nice of you to join the sisters. Now you all have 1 of 2 of each. And this one. Leah. So now we have 3 of those. Okay. So no Yuna and no Chaeyoung. And last but not least, another Rujin. Okay. So here's the recap. I'm going to let you know in editing what card is which, because to be honest with you, what is the Target card? Because these are the only ones that have different backs, but I got 6. Why do I only have 5 of these? I just bought 6 albums from Target. The math ain't mathin'. But I don't have 6 of these. But I have 6 of these, so maybe these are the Targets? What are the Target cards? Hold on. BRB. Guys. So I just did a deep dive through the Itzy Instagram page, and guess what? I was right. Okay? So here's our standard. Okay, we have 3 sets. Okay? So we have this set, this set, and then there's another set. The reason why we pulled so many of these unit cards is because there's only 2 types. So there's Yuna and Yeji, And then Chaeyoung, Leah, and Woojin. I thought there was more. But this is why I'm excited. So that's the standard, right? Go to the Target. We pulled 4 out of 5 members. I just have to get Chaeyoung's Target. I just have to get Chaeyoung's Target. Oh my god, I actually almost got OT5 Target cards, guys. I'm so excited right now. I'm so excited. So we have Yuna, we have Woojin, Yeji, and Leah. Cut the films. Deadass. Cut the cameras. Deadass. So apparently these have words on the back. The only reason why I was like, these are the Target cards is because they were completely different from all the other albums. Like all the other cards. But these are also 2 different sets. No, is... So I'm confused. I guess I'm just missing an entire set. I didn't get anything from this set. Apparently. According to the backs. Yeah, because these are all units. But yeah. So again, you're going to see this video today. I'm going to make sure it comes out today. So if you are seeing this video and you have Chaeyoung's Target card, reach out to me immediately. I have Woojin and I have Yuna as dupes. I do not have these 2 to give away. Those are my only 2. And if you need a unit card, let me know. If you need a unit card, let me know. If not, that's fine. I will trade across concepts. I do not care. I want to get this OT5 done. Guys, I cannot believe I almost got OT5 Target cards, which was the goal. It was the goal. And you saw it in the last clip. I said, these must be the Target cards because I have 6. And they're the only ones that don't have dupes besides the 2 that are dupes. So yes. Okay. We are doing fantastic this era. Let's go ahead and go through the photo books now. Well, let's go through all the other inclusions. So again, we already went through the inclusions, but I kind of want to lay them out, show you all of them. So we have... obviously because I bought 6, we have 6 sets of these ID photos. So freebies, yay. I've been needing freebies anyways. For group postcards, we got, I think there's only 3 versions. Now my iPad about to die. Anyways, I think, yeah, there's 3 versions, so I have 1 of each. So I have 2 of this one, 2 of this one, 1 of this one. Or no, I have 3 of these ones. So I actually did get 1 of each version, thankfully. And then for the member ones, didn't have such great luck. But again, that's okay. Normally, I don't really care about big inclusions because a lot of the times I don't actually use them unless I'm decoing my binders. So we have these sets. And then we have Leah, Woojin, Chaeyoung, Leah, Woojin, Leah. So if you want to buy these from me, I'll sell them on my Instagram for like $2, but I really don't want to sell them. If anything, they're just going to go in my inclusion bags. And then because again, we got 6 of these, we have 6 of these little wristband things. The rest of them are still in the photo cards or photo books. This is the other ID set that I already opened to show you guys. Then for posters, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of my favorite concept and 1 of my second favorite concept. So that's fun. And then, is that everything? Yeah, that's all the random inclusions. So yeah, let's go ahead, put all of this away, and let's go ahead and go through the photo books. Okay, so we are down to the last photo books. So let's go ahead and flip through them. We have the pink one and the beige one. So let's go ahead and start with this one, the pink one. I'm not sure which concept this is. Okay, this is my least favorite concept, but it's still a good concept. I just don't like the spiders. But yeah, it looks good as ever. Good as ever. Ooh, the nails. Might have to replicate these nails like I did for her Cheshire nails, or her checkmate nails. Leah looks amazing. I'm so glad she's back, y'all. I didn't realize how much I missed Leah until she came back. Rujin. I'm loving this era. I'm loving how confident and just bad bitch they're giving this era. Oh my god, Leah and Yachi. Rujin, Yuna, and Chaeyoung. Oh, Chaeyoung, what you doing in the bed? Like, I don't know, just something about this album, just something about watching them perform Gold on stage. Like, they are just so confident. Yuna serving like always. Love her nails too. Ugh, the spiders are just not my vibe. And the rest of these are just credits, right? Yeah, so that's everything for this photo book. Let's go ahead and go through this one. This one has my second favorite concept. Well, my third favorite. Yeah. This one. Ooh. Oh, I love this photo. Oh, I love that photo even more. Oh, I love this photo. Oh my god, I love both of these photos. Wait, I love all of these photos. Leah, I love you. Yes, pretty girl mantra is what it's giving. Virgin. Not her flipping us off. Aw, Yuna and Leah. I love this photo. Chaeyoung, I love Chaeyoung this era too. She's just, they all are just, there's just this new glow about them. I don't know what it is. Well, I know what it is. They got a fire-ass album. The spaghetti's kind of insane to me. But yes, I am loving this album. I'm loving this era. I know when I was going through the tracks, I was like, oh, this isn't my favorite. But like, oh, I love me a good group shot. And then the rest are credits, right? Yeah. So that was everything for our photo books. So let's go ahead and wrap this video up. Okay guys, so that was everything for Itzy Aespa Day. I am so happy with all of my polls, and I'm so happy with my decision to get so many albums. I'll financially regret it later, but you know what? That's for later Jordi to worry about, not current Jordi. Current Jordi is just so happy and so excited, and I can't wait for this week to see how many Aespa and Itzy interactions we get. Anyways, again, if you guys want to trade me specifically for the Target cards, but any of the other album cards, please go ahead down below. Go to my trade sale Instagram. It's linked in the bio, or it's tagged in the bio, and let me know on Instagram as soon as possible, and we can get a trade set up. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Nothing is about being your number. You're 106 and